This video will go through how to add a section to a corridor and also how to edit the frequency of a corridor. I am going to change the code set style of this corridor to show the links or the frequency of this corridor. To do that, you select the corridor, go up to your corridor properties, left click on corridor properties and select codes. Selecting the codes tab, we want to change the code set style from plan view to plan view with links shown. Go OK. And now you can see every link in the corridor. The more links or sections you have within the corridor, the more detailed the output will be. Increasing the amount of links within the file will increase the size of the file. I would recommend having the frequency in such a way that the links are well spread out while you're designing, but then when you're sending out information to site or to the site engineers, you want to increase the frequency there so the links are nice and tight on each other. Now there's a few different ways you can do to increase the links. You can first add in a section. So adding in a section, it brings in another one of these links. Before I bring in one of these links, I will just show you how it impacts on our model file. So I'm going to go back up to our Analyze tab, and I've done a volumetric surface in here, and we can see the volumetric surface has a net of a cut of 33,578. I'm going to add in another line or link in here or increase the frequency of the corridor. And to do that, I'm going to press escape a few times. Select the corridor. On the corridor, we have under the Modify Corridor Sections panel, we have this Add a Section. Selecting Add a Section, and I'm going to add in another section line somewhere around here, and left click. And you'll notice that there will be an increase or reduction in cut, and press enter. So it was on 78, it went up to 80. So just by adding in another frequency line there or a section line in there, it has changed our quantities. So if we want to then add or modify all of the links within this section, we can do that by selecting the corridor, going to the corridor properties, and then going to the parameters tab. In here, we can set all the frequencies. So if we had a load of different baselines and regions, we can set them to have all of the same frequencies by selecting Set All Frequencies. And then in here, you can change the frequency along the tangent. So I might change that to, instead of 50, it might go at 10. Along curve increments, go 10. Along spirals, which are transition curves, go 10. Along vertical curves, 10. And then we'll just go OK and OK. And you'll see that there will be a lot more lines or section lines or links within our model file. So it's a lot more detailed right now. And then this has changed as well. And that's how you add in a section and edit the frequency of a corridor.